My name is Marisol Kent, and at 62, I never imagined I would step into a courtroom because of my own child. I live just outside Asheville, North Carolina, in a small cottage with peeling white paint and a porch swing my late husband, Oliver, crafted long before illness stole him from me. For years, that swing was where my daughter, Renee, and I shared late summer evenings, sipping lemonade, planning her future, laughing about things that no longer seem funny. But everything shifted the moment she married Cole Maddox. Cole had a presence that filled a room even when he was silent. An easy grin, designer boots, and a voice that sounded like he was doing you a favor by speaking. He convinced Renee that the life we lived, the simple life, was beneath her. And slowly, my daughter disappeared into someone I no longer recognized. The sweet phone calls became clipped responses, the visits turned into arguments, and then one day they stopped altogether. Still, I kept trying, because mothers keep trying long after everyone else gives up. Then one afternoon, a letter arrived from the county courthouse. A legal notice, a lawsuit, filed against me by my own daughter. According to the papers, I had misappropriated $18,500 from Oliver's estate, the same fund I built for decades, the same money he left specifically for my security. My hands trembled so violently the pages slipped from my fingers. I called Renee, but it went straight to voicemail. Minutes later, a cold text appeared. "It's fair, Mom. Cole says it's what Dad would have wanted." I didn't respond. Instead, I gathered everything: bank receipts, statements, Oliver's journals, and a letter he once tucked into my Christmas stocking, and prepared myself. The day of the hearing arrived with a sky full of gray clouds. When I walked in, the first sound I heard was a small, mocking snort. Renee sat beside Cole, smirking as if this ordeal was entertainment, while he leaned back, shaking his head slowly, as if I had disappointed them both. When the bailiff called my name, I rose. Her attorney painted me as a bitter widow, clinging to money that wasn't mine. But I stepped forward with the folder I'd held like armor. "Your Honor," I said softly, "somewhere along the way, my daughter found someone who convinced her I was the enemy." Then I placed the documents on the bench and revealed the access records. Those records showed not my name, but Renee's multiple withdrawals, all made after she married Cole. A hush fell over the courtroom as Cole's smirk finally cracked. The judge questioned Renee, and when she had no evidence, he dismissed the case and warned her about filing false claims. I didn't feel victory, only grief. As I walked past her, leaving the courtroom, I realized that sometimes the deepest wounds come from the people you once held close. And for the first time in years, I chose myself, and it felt right. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe.